Rhodes dinner rolls. I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil onto our Rhodes dinner rolls, just like so. Then we're gonna put our lid onto our crock pot and pop this on warm. It's important that you put it on warm. All right, it's been on warm for 2 hours, and look at those dinner rolls. They have risen, and I'm gonna take my clean hands and we're going to poke them down. Oh, look at that. Now we can keep the edges a little bit more puffed up because that will just add to this easy crock pot recipe, but we're gonna just kind of form this around our greased crock pot. It's very important that your crock pot is greased. All right, that looks perfect. Now I'm coming in with my pizza squeeze, and we're gonna add a layer of our pizza sauce right on the bottom of our crock pot. But on top of those dinner rolls, we're gonna start with about that much, and we can add more if we see fit. I have my little spoon here that we can use to spread that sauce out. I think we need a little bit more. What do you think, babe?
Yeah, just a tiny bit.
Okay, perfect. I'm gonna leave the outer edges a little bare for obvious reasons. Okay, that should be good. I'm not a super saucy person, so I don't wanna add too much, but you can make your own pizza sauce. You can use a white sauce, a pesto, whatever you like. Grab it and throw it onto those dinner rolls. Yum. All right, and of course we need some mozzarella cheese, and I have my Kraft mozzarella cheese that we're gonna sprinkle on top of our pizza sauce. It's okay if it gets on the edges because extra cheese is always a good idea, but we're just sprinkling that right on top of our sauce. Honey wants some of our cheese, and the dishwasher's going off. It is a crazy day in this house, but that never stops us from cooking. Okay, we're gonna just kind of spread that out. Maybe a little bit more cheese because I love cheese. Perfect. Now I'm coming in with my pepperonis, and I got the cup and crisp ones, and we're gonna add a couple of our pepperonis right on top of that cheese. And I know it looks like I'm just making a pizza, but we're gonna add some crazy stuff on top of this. This is gonna be the best pizza you've ever had, and it's gonna be made all in your crock pot. I know, crock pot pizza, have you ever heard of something so fun and something so delicious? Well, now you have. And that should be plenty of meat because we have lots going on here. I have some bell pepper slivers that we're gonna just kind of place here and there. I absolutely love pepperoni. I love bell pepper, but if you don't like any of these things, you can skip them. All right, we have some beautiful red onion slivers, and we're just sneaking those in as well. You can see it coming together just so perfectly, all of those bright colors. I mean, there's vegetables on this, so that means it's healthy, right?
Totally.
All right, that looks good. And of course, that's not enough protein, so we have our ground hot Italian sausage that we're gonna sprinkle on here. Yummy. You could add some bacon, you could add some ham, you can make it a meat lover's pizza. You can do whatever you like with this. You could just do pepperonis. You can make it a Hawaiian pizza if you're, insane like that. But I love an everything all at once pizza, and this is gonna be it for me. Now I'm coming in with my mushrooms, and this is my husband's favorite pizza topping, so of course we had to throw those on there. And I'm using the canned because I already had them in my pantry and I didn't want to buy more mushrooms when we had them, but you could obviously use fresh. I just think you got to use what you have, especially in these times. So we're adding just a few of those. I think that should be plenty. Last but certainly not least, we have some sliced olives. Bring back our fork and sprinkle those right on top. And this is everything I love on my pizza. Oh, my mouth is watering just knowing that this is gonna be such a delicious deep dish pizza. Yep, you heard that right. Deep dish pizza in the crock pot. This is gonna be insane. Beautiful. Now to ensure that this cooks properly and there's not too much moisture, we're gonna add a little cloth napkin on top of our crock pot. Bring back our lid. And now we're popping this on high. Ooh, I can't wait. All right, it's been an hour and a half on high. We're gonna go ahead and turn this off. Ooh, the crock pot's hot, almost got me.
I see the steam.
All right, ready to check it out?
Let's go.
Oh my, that looks incredible. Look at those puffy sides. Ooh, we got a little air pocket right here. And now I'm just gonna finish this off with a little bit of red pepper because I like spice. crockpot pizza. I mean, come on. That's a deep dish if you ever saw one. Okay, it is time to cut a slice. Oh, look at that.
Delicious.
Deep dish, baby. What's hot? Get that cheesy mushroom on top of that.
Is it good?
It needs more cheese, but it's delicious.